What's up guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would do a video. It's one that a lot of people have been requesting, and that is a bike check. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Awesome. So firstly I think I should start off with my wheels. So I've got Profile Mini hubs that are custom sprayed midnight purple, the GTR R34 midnight purple, with total double butted, the jet fuel or rainbow spokes, Eclat E440 rims in their galactic purple, and the Eclat Mirage tires 2.5, the foldable tires. Cool. Going from now the back forward, I've got the Profile Union Jack 28 tooth sprocket with Primo Holobite, the V2 cranks. Absolutely love these cranks. I probably will never change them unless I break them. And then the Snafu Anorexic pedals, all with a Cinema gold chain. Awesome. I have a Primo pivotal seat with a Primo pivotal post, obviously, a We the People message, the 21-inch frame, also in their galactic purple, because I am a sucker for purple. Then from there, the front end, I've got the Salt grips, one pink, one teal, obviously for bar spins, just to make it a little bit easier to see. The Primo rebar bars, 8.75 rise I think. I also have a Profile racing stem, Cryptic Enigma forks, and a Total Killer Bee headset in jet fuel. I just want to say thanks to my sponsors, BMX Direct, Primo BMX, We the People BMX, and the Compound Bike Park for helping me keep my bikes looking super fresh.